If you buy just about any direct-to-consumer e-bike, what you're going to find out is that it's good to remember how it went together, as in the shipping, the packing material, the cardboard, the orientation that it went in. And the best way to sort that one out, according to my cat monkey, is to break out your camera and film the box. Don't roll your eyes, pal, because if you have to send this back for warranty repair or what have you, you're going to need that little video to get this beautiful Urtopia Carbon 1 Pro, and also film little details like this mounting for the rear rack. You may need to describe a piece that's missing. If this little piece is missing, you can't use your rear rack. So it's really critical to understand. Even if you don't know exactly what it's called, you can drop it into an email and send it to Shenzhen, China, which is, I believe, where these are manufactured, or Hong Kong, or Irvine, where Urtopia is based locally. And if you buy any of their bikes, like this dual motor Carbon Fusion GT, this bike, they really chatted it up for a long time, but it hasn't quite lived up to the hype. The motor was a little bit too small, and if you use both of the dual motors, it burns through the battery. So it's good to understand what you're getting into, because if you bought it and you discovered that the batteries just crapped out too early, the dual motors were a problem, etc., then you definitely would need that boxing video on how to put it back together and send it back within the warranty period and get your money back, or get into another bike that suits your needs better. In addition to the main box, it's also a good idea to keep the smaller boxes like this one that holds the smart bar and the components and the other stuff. I think maybe even the pedals, because if you ship it back, you want to put all that stuff back in there. And keep the little protective parts, like the little round circular things that go around on the wheel hubs. Keep all the little sort of black foamy stuff that you can put over the frame to keep it from getting scratched, and the little square inserts that the frame and the forks fit into nicely. So it's important to have those things for either shipping back for warranty repair, for moving to a different country, a different state, all kinds of things like that. Even if you sell it sometimes, if you're going to sell it on eBay, rather than spending a minimum of $100 for a box like this, throw it in the attic with all the stuff in there. When you're ready to move it on, you can do so pretty easily and safely. You can protect it. And I also might point out, just like with MacBook Pros, when you have the packaging, for whatever reason, it sells for a little bit more money.